Hello, how are you today? I hope you are doing well and feeling great. If you love gardening but don't have a garden space at home, make sure to watch this video until the end. Today, I will show you how to grow sweet potatoes at home using half of a recycled 30-liter container. This is a simple and practical method that anyone can try.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps this garden grow.
To grow strong and healthy young plants, I begin by selecting a mature sweet potato for propagation. Choosing a healthy, mature tuber gives the new sprouts the best start and helps them develop into vigorous plants. Today, I'm using a recycled plastic chair as a planter to grow sweet potatoes at home. It's a creative and eco-friendly way to reuse old materials while producing a healthy harvest in a small space. Just follow this step, and your plants can grow much faster. To help the plants establish roots faster after transplanting, I mix worm castings with the soil before planting. This creates a nutrient-rich growing environment and supports quicker root development. don't skip. This next step can affect your harvest. After 10 days, the sweet potato has produced plenty of healthy new sprouts. Now it's time to transplant them into the recycled 20-liter container that I've already prepared with soil. With proper care, the young plants can continue to grow strong and healthy. Watch until the end. The result might surprise you. After 20 days, the sweet potato plants have established strong roots and are growing vigorously. To ensure they have enough nutrients for continued healthy growth, I apply worm castings around the base of each plant. This simple method helps create a healthy growing environment for homegrown sweet potatoes. Next, I cover the base of the plants with a thin layer of soil and water them thoroughly to keep the soil consistently moist. Maintaining proper moisture helps the sweet potato plants continue growing strong and healthy. At this stage, the sweet potato plants are beginning to form young tubers. I apply granular fertilizer around the base of each plant to provide additional nutrients, then cover the base with a fresh layer of soil. Finally, I water the plants to keep the soil evenly moist and support healthy tuber development. The ending is the most interesting part, don't miss it. What an incredible surprise! I never expected sweet potatoes grown at home to produce a harvest that rivals field-grown plants. The plants have produced so many large and beautiful tubers, and seeing this amazing result makes me feel truly happy and grateful. All the time and care I put into growing them has been wonderfully rewarded.
Thank you for watching till the end. Your light keeps this little garden alive.